explore colors from A is for apple, painted bright red. B is for blueberry, painted beautiful blue. C is for carrot, painted vibrant orange. D is for daisy, painted white and yellow. E is for eggplant, painted deep purple. F is for frog, painted lively green. G is for grapes, painted sweet purple. H is for hat, painted warm brown. I is for ice cream, painted delicious pink. J is for jellyfish, painted glowing blue and purple. K is for kiwi, painted fresh green and brown. L is for lemon, painted sunny yellow. M is for mango, painted sweet orange and yellow. N is for night sky, painted dark blue with sparkling stars. O is for orange, painted bright and juicy. P is for pumpkin, painted vibrant orange. Q is for quilt, painted colorful and bright. R is for rainbow, painted in all colors of joy. S is for sun, painted bright yellow and orange. T is for tulip, painted red and pink. U is for umbrella, painted colorful and bright. V is for violet, painted deep purple. W is for watermelon, painted fresh green and red. X is for xylophone, painted colorful and bright. Y is for yarn, painted in playful colors. Z is for zebra, painted black and white. Thanks for watching ABC Painting Adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch our next video, ABC Toys Adventure. It's time for ABC GROK. Learning letters, having fun. ABC GROK.